In this video, I will show you how you can play OneBlock Skyblock 1.21.11 on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, what you need to do here is to open up a browser. Then you just need to write OneBlock, and probably will be first linked by CurseForge, OneBlock, Mounts of Mayhem. Press on that, then press to Files, and then select all game versions, and then select 1.21.11. Then what you need to do here is to download that particular file. So wait for a couple of seconds and save it to whatever you like. And wait until the download process is over. And after that, you should have a zipped file, right click on it, then extract all, and then save it to desktop or whatever you like. And wait for a couple of seconds. Here press skip and wait again. After that, press on extracted folder, and then you will have this file here. So what I like to do here is to first rename it to the version, and then you should have this OneBlock 1.21.11. Then what you need to do here is to open up your Minecraft launcher, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then I will show you what you need to do next. Go to Java Edition installation here, and then select whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. Press open installation folder. Then what you need to do here is to go and find saves. If you don't have saves, don't worry, just press new and just name it saves, and you will have that particular folder. And then on this folder, we need to drag and drop our OneBlock 1.21.11. Right? So just click on this folder that you extracted, and then you will have this folder. And then you need to drag it here. Right? And after that, just launch the game. And if I play on press on single player, as you can see here, there is OneBlock. And what you need to do here is to press play. As you can see here, wait for a couple of seconds. And now the mod is perfectly working. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.